Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. Just want to run through a couple things of what I've been doing. I actually decided to paint the valve cover. The timing cover on the XRS. I'm really digging the color scheme on this personally. I'm sure a few of you or a couple of you might be thinking, what the hell am I thinking? But I think this is a really cool color for myself to be sporting out on the car. So on that aspect, on that subject, I'm going to talk about also what I'm deciding to do as far as the gaskets. I decided to go with the Mahle gasket set. I've heard I heard a rumor from a source that Pro is kind of developing shading stuff, so I don't want to take that chance. So I'm quite familiar with the brand Mahle or Mahle or whatever you guys want to pronounce it. I use it a lot at work, so it's pretty good. It's a pretty good brand, personally, I would say. So that's the reason why I decided to go with this. Part number JV5033. I'll put it up in the description. You will not find it at your auto parts store. You probably will, but I frankly did not find it. It's AutoZone didn't have it. O'Reilly didn't have it. Merle's here in town didn't have it. Another parts store here in town called World Pack doesn't have it. So it had to be special ordered by. I just got to choose O'Reilly, so gotta order it through that. So that's the type of gasket set I'm gonna go with. And of course I'll do a reverse video on that, how to do the install. And by reverse I mean I'm gonna put it back together and let you guys know how it works. Because when I took it apart, I was recording the steps, but it wasn't. My phone wasn't acting properly. There was no audio. The audio was corrupt because of the old phone that I had. But I'll promise with you guys that there's no real reason why not to do it. The other thing also is I decided to wrap the headers after porting out the exhaust. When I wrap the headers, just be careful if you guys decide to do it too. That stuff is really itchy. It is basically made out of lava rock fibers, which sounds really, really weird, I would say, but it is what it is. It withstands heat pretty good, and of course it keeps the engine bay pretty cool. So the science behind it is that the hotter the gas, the denser the gas is, the exhaust gas, in which it will flow a lot more efficiently and faster through the exhaust system. And once I'm done installing the header, I will delete the cat and possibly wrap that certain section, just that section, a little bit, and get a little bit more flow through that. So I'm gonna jump on that, show you guys exactly how I wrapped it through segments. Did not record everything, but I'll show you guys exactly what I did through the process of wrapping it, and of course pouring it. So enjoy.
swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You told me lies behind my back. I don't know where I'm at. You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine. You swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You told me lies behind my back. I don't know where I'm at. You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine. You swore that you would never break my heart.
And this is the final result. Don't judge my artwork. This is the first time I actually did this. But from my research, you want to do some quarter overlay through the process, of course, one by one. And then I decided to do one final wrap through right here. I did my best to kind of grind off the collectors also, because I welded that. And of course I need to clean this residue right here. Don't mind that. Collectors are welded, grind it off. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the collectors that lead to the cat. The other thing is that I decided to do crimp this up with some bolt cutters. Got a bright idea from a coworker, and then he helped me out weld this, and of course collectors. That's part of the, by the way, this is part of the air injection system. And then of course I ported out the holes, and don't need to block those off because this is going to be blocked off. But it's pretty much good to go. I just need to install it back, and then once I do, I'm going to chop off the cat, and then basically put back this together, and basically weld off the other side of the collector that leads to the cat. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this small video about the XRS. So I'm making progress, slow progress, but I'm making progress. Really don't feel like rushing it because it's not really my daily, and it's something that I just want to take pride of, you know, making a good, well, I guess I would say it's a build, but it's steps of taking it to becoming a build. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment. For you guys that are new to the channel, don't hesitate to subscribe, like my videos, and of course comment on any questions that you guys have regarding. On my past videos, I've been commenting a little bit late because of my schedule, but just bear with me. So let you guys go. Hope you guys like it. Again, new subscribers, subscribe, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys.
You said